So now let us set up Visual Studio 2019 so that we can use the Irvine library. So let's start by creating new project. Let's start with an empty project, then click next. So let's leave the project name as project 4. So again, we don't need the following files, so we can remove or delete the following files or folder. Now let us click on right-click on the project 4 file. So click on, select build dependencies, then build customization, then click on Masam. Then let's add new item. C++ file.cpp. So let's name this example 2.asm, and click on add. So before we start, so first let us check on the properties. So the item type must be Microsoft Macroassembler. Then click on project 4 file. Then click on properties. So let's modify linker. So here we're going to use the Irvine library. So click on linkers, then under additional library directory, let's choose on Irvine folder. So I saved my folder in my backup drive. So that is the folder Irvine. So under my F directory. Then click on OK. Then under then look for the all options. So under all options, so go to additional dependencies, or look for additional dependencies. So here we're going to add, or just type Irvine 32.live or the Irvine 32 library, then semicolon. Then we also need to modify the macro assembler setting. So include path. Then here you can type in the folder location of Irvine 32. Click on OK. So we can now start writing up our program. So now let us write the program. We're an assembly language program. Okay, that adds 32-bit numbers. Let's see, 0, 2, 3, 5, 0, A, 9, F, 5, and 0, 9, VF. So let's use register EAX. So first we might include Irvine 32. So some of the include file under the Irvine 32. So under code segment, so we write main procedure, then that will be end with a main NP, then end main. So inside this procedure, so let's add numbers. So first let us move into AX the value 0 to 35. Then let's add 0, 8, 9, F5. Also add AX 09 VF. Then we will be using the dump register, so we call in dump rex, then exit. So let us build our program or our code. So build solution. So if there's no error, so we can click on debug. Or let's start debugging or press F5. So after these three instructions, so the value or the sum of three numbers so is held in register EAX. So the answer is D6, D9. So that ends our lecture.